never thought my blog is gonna start like this. Me and Charan on the call right now. We are deciding where to go. We had to ride now. అరే వాడు డిస్ట్ బాగా కొట్టాడు. యూ పీపుల్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్, ఐ విల్ నాట్ అలౌ యూ టు గో అన్నట్టు పెట్టాడు ముఖం. సీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ రెడీ, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఐ ప్యాక్డ్. We had to leave by now, but that plan, the first plan, is almost cancelled. We cancelled it. Now we are on the map checking out where to go.
ఈ ట్రిప్ కి చాలా మంది దిష్టి తగులుతున్నారు. ఎప్పటి నుంచి ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారు?
2 months. Last 2 months నుంచి. You got work, then I got work. We had to cancel it so many times. 10:30 now, and we're still planning where to go. We don't even know. But yeah, everything is ready.
Sir, I'll call you in half an hour. We'll close the matter in half an hour.
Okay, either we go or we cancel it today. Yeah, we just don't want to ride for the sake of it. We'll ride if we find something interesting. This is the first time. Usually we plan our rides at least a week in advance. Thing is, the tricky part is we have only 5 days to do this trip. Because I told you right, we have to shift and all that. The shifting process is going to start in the next 1 week at least. Excited about that. Before that, I have to finish this 5 days trip and come back. And we'll have 2 more days here and then start the shifting. I even got my visor, by the way. The clear visor. But yeah, seriously, I'm not able to understand what to do, where to go now. Jacket is also ready, by the way. I took out everything and kept. We thought today morning, 8 o'clock we'll leave. But we called up the place where we wanted to go first. We planned for a tiger reserve, but then for the safari and all that, it seems we have to make at least 1 week advance booking. When I checked today online, everything is full for the next 1 week. There's no point going there and just sitting in the resort. We wanted to do the safari, we wanted to do tiger sightings and all that. Hopefully, if our plan is successful today, see you on the bike and we'll roll. Did I get the intro? Not yet, right? Hey, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Ella unnaru? Hope everyone is doing great. Also guys, since a couple of days I've been using the Wow Skin Science Vitamin C face wash. If you look closely, you can see that this is a paper tube. It helps in a crazy 45% reduction in plastic usage. It's a small initiative towards a greener future by Wow Skin Science. Ek choti si shuruaat. Feels like cardboard, feels like paper. It's FSC certified paper. It's got low COBB value, which means it absorbs less water. Got high burst strength of paper. It's got a less carbon footprint. It is plastic positive and environmental friendly. Well, it is not just great packaging only. It is also filled with goodness inside. It's got active vitamin C in it, which is a powerful antioxidant. It neutralizes free radicals which cause skin damage. It's definitely got lemon and orange essential oils. These help purify skin and reduce excess sebum production. It's also got licorice. This prevents the excess production of melanin, and when UV falls on your skin, you don't have much of tanning, so you get a nice even skin tone. All the links will be in the description box below. You can use my coupon code SrimanKotaru20, get a flat 20% off at www.buywow.in. Also applicable on the app as well. One second, hang on. We also ordered this particular bag. This is a bag by Ecovia. Wow Skin Science has recently launched Wow Green Hands initiative, a step towards sustainability for the planet. So whenever you order your favorite skincare products from Wow, you can opt for this Ecovia delivery bag at an additional cost of ₹50. Once you receive the order, you can opt for the pickup of this bag at your convenience when contacted by the Ecovia team. And when the bag is picked up, listen up, you get a cashback of ₹100 in your Wow wallet, which you can use to redeem in your next purchase. Once again, it is made out of recycled plastic bottle fiber, and it acts as a strong carrier of your order. So no more additional plastic and bubble wrap waste. The bag is sanitized after every delivery. Shop responsibly and be wow naturally. So let's go fix something very important. We're not going for the ride. We decided that. I'm really sorry. My climb jacket. I think we'll have to postpone the trip. Oh yes guys, we have postponed the trip to after 20th of this month. Pedda thop ganleka anni reach baita vetna. I think everything has to go back inside. It's okay. Sometimes plans are disappointed like this. I definitely take it in a positive way. I think all this happens for our own good. Maybe the universe is giving me a message that Shriman, don't go now. It is not good for you. So now we'll at least utilize this time and remove the visor, and I hope this visor, the clear visor, fits it, because it is very difficult to get this particular visor for the Schuberth C4, especially in India. Thanks to my friend Chaitanya who traveled to Germany, literally the birthplace of the Schuberth helmet. He could find a visor there, and I think it's gonna fit. Upar se to aisa try kiya, it seems to be fitting. Now we have the clear visor, and it is super duper expensive here. You can literally get a new helmet for this price. Oh, very clear. Very simple to open this. One of the best mechanisms the Schuberths got. Just camera munde flop aitadi ninna. Seriously, dude, never has it been so difficult. And just put this in. That's it. Oh, we are back to business. Now we're gonna have fun in the rides. Oh, by the way, you guys want to experience the dark tinted visor? One second. It's full on sunny outside, but when you put the dark visor, it's gonna be like this. See the difference? Almost 50% difference. And imagine that in the nights. We don't talk about these things these days because I'm so busy running around with my camera, coming back home, editing. I'm trying to share a part of my life that might sound interesting, that might seem entertaining to you guys. Travel is a part of it, my daily life. Of course, I don't do daily vlogs because I personally don't enjoy doing them, and I'm pretty sure you guys will also not like to see what I do every day. That being said, whenever I buy something, a physical product, though I'm showing it on the camera, inside I feel I shouldn't be doing that because a lot of young people follow me. They also wanted to buy that. For example, this particular iPhone 13 Pro Max, some point of time, one or two people might have got influenced and they might have bought an iPhone 13 Pro Max just because I got it. In case you're one of them, I say stop. All these physical gadgets, bikes, you see there are two types of happiness. One is physical, material. When you buy some things, the happiness you get out of that is the materialistic happiness. Number two, the happiness that you get out of experiences. When you experience something, that chills, that good feeling you get. Now, which one is important in these two? The happiness that you get out of experiences. I bought a MacBook Pro, I got a BMW bike. All this is just for entertainment. Just don't take it to your head. You can definitely buy it if you have the money, if you have that financial stability, and if you think you're at a certain financial position in your life, have a certain financial strength that you can go ahead and buy. And what's more worst is if you're pressuring your parents to get that for you. If you're doing it on your own, that's a secondary thing. Even if you're doing it on your own, I suggest you have to invest that money, not waste it on material things. If you truly feel that you need it for certain work, for example, I buy an iPhone 13, I consider that as a tool because it captures a better video for me, it generates income for me. So MacBook Pro, I did not buy it yet, but plans are there to get the latest M1 Max. Once again, it is a physical material purchase. It will not give me happiness for more than one day. And this is not for happiness. It is because it solves my problem of editing. It makes my work faster. See, now when I think about what all happiness I had in the last couple of years, I always think about my rides, the experiences. When I first time went to Ladakh, the fun conversations, the fun we had with friends, all these experiences, they last. So what I realized at this age, at this point of time in my life is that how much ever you upgrade things, how much ever you buy things, stuff, material things, physical things, they make you happy for 1-2 days. That's it. Abhitna Bhashan, why am I giving you? Because young kids, nowadays they're thinking getting bikes, getting cars. These are the things that will make you happy. Never. But what do I remember when I look back? I remember only experiences. I remember only the moments. So guys, though I keep boasting about shoes, phones, cars, bikes, gadgets, trust me, these are only one-day happiness. It will create a huge dent in your pockets, depreciating assets, short-term happiness, and nothing else. Experiences, that is what you have to aim for. Spend that money, whichever money you want to spend on, say, an iPhone. Maybe you have to spend that money on experiences, travel, learning things, buying a course, self-development, self-improvement, maybe joining a class or something. Invest into something like that instead of physical objects. At least when you're young. Maybe once you reach a certain financial position in your life, maybe then you can splurge a little bit of money on things. That too only if those products, those things are useful to you. By the way, a lot of people say when you have a child, you'll feel very happy. For me, it was a little bit... It was like any other day. I felt like there's one more member in the family that I have to take responsibility. See, mother's love is different. It's genetically hardwired or whatever. They have this unconditional love. My mom loves me unconditionally. Your mom might love you unconditionally. For the dad to love his kid, there should be bonding. There should be some understanding. For me with Naisha, now that is happening. After a couple of years, almost 2 years, I feel very happy when she's around. Happiness for me is definitely when Naisha is around, when Pooja is around, when family is around, dad, mom. When everyone is happy, I feel very happy. When any one of them are like a little bit sad, somehow I feel very low that day. Abhi happiness ka bhashan thoda zyada ho raha. I think let's get out, have some work, I'll finish that and లేక అప్పటికప్పుడు ఏదో అట్లా ఫ్లోలో కాల్ చేశా. ఫస్ట్ డే ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ టైమ్ ఐ కాల్డ్ హిమ్, హీస్ లేట్. అంటే వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐ మీట్ యూ దట్ షుడ్ బి దిస్ డైలాగ్, రైట్? ఆల్వేస్ లేట్. ఏదైనా కొత్తగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫైనలీ అన్నట్టు నేను కలిసినప్పుడు ఆల్వేస్ లేట్.
అదే
పీస్ అవుట్ అప్పుడే పీస్ ఇన్నవరా ఫస్ట్ పీసులు కొడతాం మళ్ళీ. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ ట్రాఫిక్?
ఇట్లా నడుపుతున్నావు కొంచెం
యు ఆర్ రూయినింగ్ మై సీట్ పొజిషన్ బ్రో.
దీనికి ఆటోమేటిక్ బటన్స్ లేవా?
నో, వి డోంట్ హావ్ ప్రొఫైల్స్. ఇచ్చిందే ఎక్కువ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ సీట్ మళ్ళీ. థ్యాంక్స్ సుజో ఫర్ కమింగ్ బికాస్ ఐ హేట్ డ్రైవింగ్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ట్రాఫిక్. Literally 10 minutes, 17 minutes for 5 kilometers for 17 minutes. Horrible.
Hey, that's okay, dude.
Sujay, I want to ask you a question. Today's video is something about happiness, okay? A serious question.
అది నన్ను అడగాలి నువ్వు.
మన ఇద్దరికి సెట్ అయితే లేదు కదా. Anyways, what is that?
నీకు లైట్ వద్దా?
అవసరం లే, we have A7
S3 Pro. అరే వీడు. అసలు ఇలాంటి ట్రాఫిక్ లో వితౌట్ ఎనీ యాక్సిడెంట్ వెళ్ళడం గ్రేట్ రా అసలు.
ఎందుకు రా ఇట్లా అంటున్నావు? అరే ప్లీజ్ రా, నా కార్ రా, ఇట్లాంటి మాటలు అనకు రా. What is the most happiest moment you had in your life till now? Till now. What can you think of first?
Complicated question.
It's not complicated, bro. You just think. What is the happiest moment you had in your life till now?
4 years లో ఇంజనీరింగ్ కంప్లీట్ అయినప్పుడు that certificate gave me happiness. You don't believe
Like
myself.
genuinely you felt happy?
I genuinely felt happy. I was in Goa.
Okay. అసలు సెట్ కావట్లేదు, వీడియోస్ ఇంకా కావట్లేదు. I was generally talking about experiences and physical things. Like when you get a bike, you feel happy. When you get a phone, you feel happy. That stays for one day. But
Those are
experiences,
material happiness.
But that stays only
See,
for 1-2
for
days.
example, I'm getting a bike. I'll be happy for like a week, no, month.
For a week, huh? Okay.
An year.
So I was saying experiences like our Ladakh and all. You remember that? Every time we meet, we talk about that.
See, those are memories. Cut చేస్తే
Cut చేస్తే పోయి తిందాం.
అయితే okay.
So basically we had to be somewhere in a forest right now. Where are we?
Forest.
This looks like a forest, but it is not. We are literally in center of Hyderabad, Jubilee Hills. What is this, Charan?
We have sightings of 2 people.
Yes, we have sighting of 2 wild animals here. One is a wild boar. A mukkam the same undi. And one more wild boar. With Puliraj anta. Puli.
వాడు వచ్చినప్పుడు షేవ్ చేసుకుని వచ్చిండు.
Yeah, Aditya, when he started at his office, he shaved and came.
ఏంట్రా దొండకాయ ఉంది ఇక్కడ.
చికెన్ రా, దొండకాయ కాదురా రే. బర్గర్లు పప్పుతో చేరరా బంగారం. సీట్ బెల్ట్ వేసుకున్నారా?
ట్రై బక్లావా.
Hey, once again the Ladakhi foods are here. How does this happen? Randomly. Very random.
కియా మ్యాప్స్ లో ట్రాఫిక్ కూడా వస్తుంది ఏంట్రా?
Hey, it comes, bro. You what are you talking? Kia has a fully loaded next level features we have. So actually today we are planning to
Go to Ladakh?
Yes, not Ladakh, but this group I want to ride with this particular group. Charan, Suju, Adi. And we want Suju to come on a straight triple.
ట్రిపుల్ అమ్మేశాను రా.
అలాంటి బండి పోని. We want low ground clearance. You can come on my straight twin if you want.
ఎందుకు చెరంగల్ బైక్ పైన సీట్లోనే ఉండిపోతాను.
Let's plan something in December, people. 4 of us. Particularly 4 of us. Okay, I want this group
కోల్డ్
once.
స్టోన్ క్రీమరీ.
And now we're going to Apricot Delight once again. Aditya's favorite Apricot Delight.
ఏ లెన్స్ క్లీన్ చేయలే.
It doesn't matter, bro. We have A7S3.
లెన్స్ క్లీన్ చేసేది.
లెన్స్ క్యాప్ పెట్టరా.
We have A7S3. చీకటి రాదు. లెన్స్ క్యాప్ పెట్టినా దాని నుంచి ఎక్స్రే విజన్ లో వస్తుంది ఏమనుకుంటున్నావు?
పెట్టి చూద్దాం.
Okay, plan was to have Apricot Delight once again, but Charan doesn't want to have Apricot Delight. He wants something fancy today.
సంథింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ అన్న.
Something different, huh? You want chocolate?
ముందాడి ఆప్రికాట్ డిలైట్ తీసేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోదాం.
Let's take Apricot Delight,
Yeah,
otherwise నిద్రపోదాం.
Apricot
See, I'm watching Breaking Bad after almost when was it released?
2013.
Wait, I'll come. When was 2013 it seems. I started watching it now, 2021 mein, and these people are revealing all spoilers. Don't do that, please.
If you want to irritate Sriman, leave all the surprises in the comments.
No comments, please. No comments. I'll disable comments if you do that. If you want to comment,
చేసాకి ఉంది చూస్తావుగా.
no, I'll disable it. Hey, did you get it? Did you get the package?
వద్దన్నావు కదరా.
Did you get the package?
ఆ ప్యాకేజ్ ఇస్ హియర్ సార్.
ఆల్ తెచ్చావా?
జాగ్రత్త.
అదంతా ఫ్రెష్.
మాడు ఆల్రెడీ కుమ్ముతుండే.
Sorry రా, అంటే మీరు బిజీగా ఉన్నారు.
అసలు మాట కూడా మాట్లాడతలేవు కదరా.
నేను బిజీగా ఉన్నానని.
అంత డీప్ గా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయి తింటే ఎట్లా? కొంచెం ఇంకో 2-3 డబ్బాలు పట్టుకొచ్చినట్టున్నావు కదా, మాకు కూడా ఇస్తే తిని పెడతాం.
ఇప్పుడు డైట్ లేవా?
ఏం డైట్? వాట్ డైట్?
ఇప్పుడు డైట్
వాట్ మ్యాక్రోస్, వాట్ డైట్? నాకు ఇరిగిన వద్దు. ఐ వాంట్ ఫ్రెష్.
నీ చెరిగిపోయిందిరా.
నాకి పెట్టినది ఆయన.
మెక్సికన్ ఇస్ ఓకే.
నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం మెక్సికన్.
అంటే టీమ్ సేమే.
చీట్ డే నంబర్ 25 చూద్దాం.
తీసుకురాచుకున్నాం కూడా.
We have to definitely try this spicy venue. Apricot Delight, the best in the city. We just had, right? We had two Apricot Delights. Again, Charan wanted one more, not for himself. He wants to give it at home. So we took a U-turn, came back here, and the moment we stopped, the security guy was like, "You stopped here for Apricot Delight?" He recognized the car or what?
He recognized Aditya.
So parcel? Yes, we want parcel. Apricot Delight.